Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup HubSpot CRM records and properties export, full guide step by step clearly. To backup HubSpot CRM records and properties, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM section from the main dashboard. Select Contacts to view your existing records. In the Contacts area, click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose Export. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select the file format for your export. Choose between CSV or Excel formats based on your preference. Once the format is selected, confirm that you want to export all properties or specify particular ones if needed. Click the Export button to initiate the download process. The export may take a few moments, depending on the size of your records. Once the processing is complete, a download link will be sent to your email. Check your email and click the link to download your exported file. After downloading, locate the file on your computer to ensure it's saved properly. For backing up properties, navigate to Settings from the main dashboard. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Properties section. Select Properties to view all custom and default properties. To export these properties, look for the Actions drop-down again. Choose Export All Properties from the options. This will generate a file containing all properties currently in use. After exporting, check your email for the download link and save the file. For regular backups, consider setting a reminder to perform this export periodically. By following these steps, you can effectively backup your HubSpot CRM records and properties. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.